Let's make some sparkly rhinestone Christmas tree earrings on Sophia the Hobbit Crafter. Let's go over our supplies. We're gonna need a spoon, some tools, some stir things, some gloves, some UV resin, some pink mica powder, some glitter, I like this sparkly silver, some cups, and here's some molds for our earrings, a paintbrush and some rhinestones, and some hardware for the earrings. Let's start by putting some resin into the cups. Then we're going to add some of this pink mica powder and stir it all up. Very nice. Add some glitter. Oh, that's too much glitter. No worries, we can work with this. We'll just put some in our mold, and then we'll add some clear resin and kind of thin it out. I don't really want this much glitter, but we're not going to waste it. Now we're going to add the pink resin to the mold. And we're going to do the same thing. We're going to kind of thin it out with a little bit of the clear. This is for the stud part. Now I'm going to add some clear resin to the top and the bottom, and we're going to kind of mix it around so that it spreads out what we have. I'm going for kind of a faded clear to colored look, which actually looks really good. And let's demold it. Oh, these are beautiful. Wow. I really love how this pink and the silver look together. All right, now it's time to get some rhinestones. The color I used are pink, silver, and a light blue. All right, now I'm going to paint the Christmas tree shape onto the earring so that I have a place to stick the star sequence and the rhinestones. And this took a little bit of work. I've never actually worked with rhinestones before. So I just kind of rearranged them until I was happy with my geometric sort of triangle shape and added some UV light to make it not move. Then I wanted to protect the earring, so I went over it with some clear resin. While I did that, I added some resin to the back of the studs for the hole and added UV. Now it's time to add the last bit of hardware, which is a jump ring. A lot of people ask me what size jump ring. I'm not really sure. I have this kit that has like 5 different sizes, so whatever one looks like it fits is the one I use. Oh my goodness, these turned out gorgeous. I love the sparkles, I love the silver, I love the pink. I even like that there's a little bit of clear. I love how the rhinestones reflect light. These turned out better than I expected. I love them. And that's about it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. We're done. Thank you for watching, and have a happy holiday.